how to upload more than 15 seconds in Instagram story. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically upload more than 15 seconds on Instagram story. Firstly, open up Instagram on your phone, and then once you have Instagram opened up, now from over here just simply scroll to the left, and then after that you guys are gonna basically see your camera opened up. If you guys were to press and hold, you guys are gonna basically be able to record for like 15 seconds, and then after that that clip is gonna be gone. But if you guys press and hold and keep on pressing it for like more than 15 seconds, well then over here I'll show you what happens. And then once you are about to complete your 15 seconds, after that your post is going to be saved over here. But as of now, if you were to just simply upgrade your Instagram to the latest version, that is going to enable you guys to record stories more than 15 seconds up to a minute long, and that is just by holding this button for as long as possible. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually get started with this method. And all that you need to do is simply update your Instagram to the latest version, or just simply keep on holding this button if you have an older version. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.